Hi friends, I'm Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to explain the dark mode in the Realme X device. So with the latest update, I have received the dark mode in the Realme X device. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of comparison videos and a lot of tips and tricks in a lot of latest smartphones. As you can see, there's a links in the description for all the playlist of smartphones or whatever I reviewed in my channel. So you can find a lot of videos. As you can see here on the Realme X, I uploaded more than 100 videos. So similarly I did on other smartphones as well. So do check the links in the description. So first let me show you the what is the latest version I am using right now in this Realme X device. So this is a variant which I have ordered from the China through AliExpress. So that's why you can see the 6GB and 64GB variant. So this is a Chinese ROM update which I got, not the Indian version. So as you can see here. So with this update, you received the dark mode feature in the Realme X device. So which you need to go to the settings and you need to scroll down at the end. So here you can find the Realme Lab. So if you tap on that, you'll get the dark mode option. So which enables in all the applications, guys, most of the third party applications. This is the biggest advantage in the Realme X device. So it doesn't matter what application you're using, for example Amazon Prime or Flipkart or Google Chrome or YouTube or any application, all the applications will be having the dark mode feature. So which I'll be demonstrating you right now. So let me try to open the AliExpress application. As you can see, it opens with a dark mode theme in the background and everything, as you can see guys here. So usually the app doesn't have any dark mode inbuilt, but the Realme software uses some kind of trick and algorithm to convert all the apps to the dark mode. So let me open the Amazon application as well. So as you can see here guys, so you can find the dark mode. So which is the biggest advantage for the right now for the Realme software. So seriously guys, the Realme is making a lot of effort in improving the software as well. So for example, even the Google Chrome application, as you can see here, so which is a dark mode, clock, and all the default applications will be having the dark mode in the Realme. For example, caller or calendar or settings or weather, all the applications, even the music player, all the third-party applications, whatever you download from the Google Play Store will support the dark theme. Even the Facebook and Instagram. So this is the biggest advantage guys right now for the Realme X device in terms of the software. So as you can see friends, even the Google Play Store is supported with the dark theme everywhere, as you can see. So this is how you need to use the dark mode in the Realme X device. So overall I'm pretty happy with the latest update, and a lot of features got added in the Realme X device, in which I'll be doing a review on that, demonstrating all the features whatever I got and with a new update in the Realme X device. So for more videos on the Realme X phone, do check the links in description for the playlist guys. So even I did a lot of comparison videos with the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well. So still, if you are thinking to buy the Realme X device, still I would consider the Realme X phone is the best for the budget range without any notch, and you will get the full screen experience with the pop-up camera, so which has a very fast face unlocking feature when compared with a lot of other smartphones. So that's guys, is a quick update on the dark theme in the Realme X device. So for more videos and a lot of tech news, stay tuned to my channel guys. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.